they bring candle, they drop their wax at your back, you know. I mean, when you be down, I'm fine. I'm try. Who say cry? There no voice, never cool. Like you see, where your baby's going here. I'm just picturing an FDA man singing for the wife. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. So, Reverend Esiama did everything, petals, foam bath, etc. At night, he removed the candle. I can't say, Esiama, who be shimmy? Oh, who be shimmy? Yasuma, who be shimmy? Or can me say, ye be small? Or catch him at town for the shame. Oh, baby, shimmy. But I'm like, you see, I've realized that they said the Ghanaian men are not romantic. So I've developed 4 types or 4 ways you can propose to a girl. It's fail-proof. This one, it will work. Look, we have the Prophet Kofi Oduro one. We have the Bishop Ajnasari one. We have the Nima one. And then we have the Nanado one. Which one do you want first? Nanado first. So you see, Nanado's one simple. Nanado saw Becky passing like that. And then I was like, Becky. I was saying one of them has that. Now they want to be here. Becky, what do you say, Becky? Mommy, 4 years. What's your home first on the war break?